Hello everyone and welcome back to FORnSEC Solutions. Today we are going to talk about search engines. No, not Google, Bing or any other regular search engine. This time we are going to talk about Shodan. So let's get started. What is Shodan? Shodan is a search engine similar to the Google. But while Google searches for websites, Shodan searches for devices that are connected to the internet. Users can perform a search using the Shodan search engine based on an IP address, device name, city and or a variety of other technical categories. Users can sign up for free accounts, but they are very limited. Shodan limits its free services to only 50 search results. Now let's talk about how does Shodan work. Shodan works by requesting connections to the every imaginable internet protocol address on the internet and indexing the information that it gets back from those connection requests. Shodan crawls the web for devices using a global network of computers and servers that are running 24/7. Internet connected devices have specific ports that are designed to transmit certain kinds of data. Once you have established a device IP address, you can establish connections to each of its ports. There are ports for email, ports for browser activity, ports for printers and routers. Do you know there are total 65,535 ports in all? When a port is set to open, it is available for access. This is what allows your printer to establish a connection with your computer. For example, the computer knocks at the open port and the printer sends a packet of information called a banner that contains the information your computer needs to interact with the printer. Now what can you find on Shodan? Any device connected to the internet can potentially show up in a Shodan search, such as baby monitors, internet routers, security cameras, water treatment facilities, traffic light system, prison payphones, or maybe nuclear power plants. However, Shodan does reveal just how much of our information is publicly available. If your webcam is internet facing, you haven't changed its default login, hackers can access it without your knowledge, gaining an easy window into your home. In fact, webcams are one of the most commonly searched terms on Shodan's Explore page. So, this was all about for today's video. If you want a detailed video on how Shodan works or how to use Shodan and gather information, do comment down and we will make a video on it. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay secure.